There's a lot of fear that exists in the crypto market right now, and the Bitcoin Fear Greed Index shows that, right? We're in this period of extreme fear. We were today, we were yesterday, last week, last month. It's just been, a constant thing. And the price of Shiba Inu obviously is down when we're looking at the 7-day chart, right? Even if we go back a year, we can see that it continues to be down. But something is happening, and it's a little deceiving. During these times, these are where big whales are accumulating. And I think it's important to note this, right? Because whales are the ones that move the market. They're the ones that have the largest control over the amount of coins in supply, right? In the circulating supply. Well, a Shiba Inu whale just the other day on looks like the 16th actually accumulated 655 billion Shiba Inu with a B. That actually equates to about $6 million worth. So what's interesting is while this was happening, right, while this was dropping, this whale was accumulating and people wouldn't even know it. Now, the reason that it isn't necessarily seen in the charts and stuff like that is because it takes a lot of money to move the needle, right? These big buys don't always reflect immediately in the price, right? We can't really see these things taking off. But these are the times where Shiba Inu is changing hand, right? These same sort of things happen in all cryptocurrencies. Whales exist in everything, right? And they really help dictate what the coin and the market are going to do. So it's important during these times to follow the whales, to watch what they're doing. So this whale who did this accumulating is now the 7th largest Shiba Inu holder, and they hold a massive 17.5 trillion Shiba Inu, which is the equivalent to about $164 million. Now, obviously, we're not all like these whales, right? We don't all have this kind of money laying around to do this accumulating. But what it shows is that a lot of these whales have more long-term thinking. When the price is down, this is when they are loading up and getting their bags for the next market cycle. We know that this market cycle isn't going to last forever, right? This bear market cycle that we're in. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. Who knows what could happen, right? Crypto is crazy. It's all over the place. But they're having more long-term thinking. They're building their bag for the future. And I think we can all take a lesson from what these whales are doing. That's the reason that I continue to accumulate during these times. That's the reason that people I know continue to accumulate during these times. Who doesn't love cheap crypto, right? That's all I really got for you guys in this video. Definitely pay attention to all these things that are happening in the market, especially with whales. Whales, again, dictate what happens for the most part. So as always, appreciate you guys stopping out, checking out the video. If you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.